In this episode, we'll actually be doing something that we've never done before. We're actually going to be making a student loan payment to some of Akiva's loans and my loans, and we're going to be doing it live on camera. At the time of this recording, it is December 30th, 2020, and the reason why we're choosing to make this student loan payment is because we'd like to take advantage of some tax things that Akiva's going to tell you all about. Hey wealth builders, and welcome back to another episode of the Bemused. My name is Mishak.
And I'm Akiva. So basically, this is all around the student loan interest deduction. I've made a video on that before, so I'll make a link, put a link up here so you guys can go check out the video along with some other great educational tax breaks. Basically, the situation, we haven't been making massive student loan payments this year. Not many people have since, payments got turned off in March. So because of that, not a lot of people have been making enough interest payments to maximize the student loan interest deduction, which you maximize that once you make payments of $2,500 worth of interest, not payments in general, specifically applied to the interest on your account. Now, we've been making more payments than that, but they mostly have gone to principal because there have been no payments due on the account. So by default, all of our payments were being sent to principal. So what I wanted to do before the end of the year was just take stock of what kind of payments we made, how much more we need to pay in order to get to that $2,500 number, in hopes of maximizing the deduction for us. Now, this isn't to say that we're going to get the full $2,500. We just did a back of the napkin calculation as to our income for 2020, and we are in the phase out it's going to look like, so we won't get the full $2,500 reduction from our gross income, but we'll still get about $2,000 worth of benefit or so. So we definitely want to take advantage of that before the calendar year closes, so we're gonna do that. So for context, our total student loan balance right now stands at $164,184.49. This is the same number that you guys heard on our last net worth update. Of course, we haven't made any payments since then. No interest has accrued, so the number is the same. And we've calculated by going back through our payment history that in total between both of our accounts, this does not include Parent Plus loans because you can't get the benefit of paying Parent Plus loans because it's not legally in your name. So while we include Parent Plus loans in our total balance, we need to focus on the accounts that are solely in Mishak and I's name. So in total, between both of our accounts for 2020 so far, we have paid a total of $1,758.17. So in order to reach that $2,500 number, we need to pay $741.83 worth of interest to maximize the student loan interest deduction. Now, the question is, did we even have that much interest sitting on our accounts since the whole forbearance has happened? And it's weird to say thankfully, but in this situation we did. We actually have $834.65 worth of accrued interest sitting on our accounts. Because like I said before, all the payments we've been making bypass interest basically since March and have been going straight to principal, which is great for, overall debt payoff, but not so great for the purpose of tax reduction. So what we're gonna do today is make a payment of $834.65, and that is just gonna wipe out all the interest on our accounts and bring us, just over the $2,500 threshold that we need in order to maximize that tax deduction. So that's between both of our accounts. So Mishak's loans are with Fed Loan Servicing, my loans are with Nelnet. We just logged on briefly and tried to see how we can make these payments. However, it's not as intuitive to say I just want to pay off all the interest on my account. So what we're actually going to do is make phone calls to each of the servicers and try to see if we can make those payments over the phone so that we know for a fact that we're not just going to make the payment and then it gets applied to like principal or something based on the default method that they, put, that they apply payments once there's no payment due. So that's what we're gonna do, and fill you guys in on any of the highlights and how this process goes. I've never made a payment over the phone to a student loan servicer. Have you?
No.
No. So this will be new for the both of us. I know with Great Lakes, which is where Parent Plus loans are at, it's so much simpler to do. You can simply just click pay accrued interest on the account, and it's so simple. But not so much with Nelnet or Fed Loan Servicing. So we're gonna do that. and that will bring our total balance down to $163,340.84. Now, we do have a video coming out very shortly on what our overall debt repayment strategy looks like right now. Right now, we're just going to make this payment for this sole purpose, but we do have a larger plan and money set aside for making a more substantial student loan payment when the time is right. And I know a lot of you have been doing that, just stocking away money with the intention of paying your student loans down, but because we haven't had a need to, we're just having that cash sitting on the side, because why get rid of cash when you don't need to? But if the student loan interest deduction is something you're looking to take advantage of, this might be the time to do it. I know most services are accepting payments up until 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern-ish on December 31st to credit it for the year.
For those of you that are new here, don't forget to check out our merch. And if you see anything that you like, most definitely purchase that. Also, Akiva is doing a campaign right now for the Adulting Bootcamp program that is coming out. Enrollment is going on until the end of January 2020. So make sure to take advantage of that or share it with a friend if you are interested. Classes begin sometime in February or so, but definitely look into it or schedule a consultation call with her so that you can find out more if you are interested.
Yep, schedule a call with me. Link in the description below. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your dog, everybody that wants to get their money right in 2020. Step-by-step method. 2021, yes. Step-by-step method led by yours truly. Link in the description. Listen, it's been a long year. I'm catching up.
Please hold while I get your account information. To make a telephone payment or to update your current payment options, press 1.
For calling, my name is Shani, and how can I help today?
I'm calling because I'd like to make a payment for all of the interest on my account.
Okay, let me just go to the option. Do you authorize your payment?
Yes.
Okay. And your payment has been submitted.
Welcome to Nelnet, your student loan servicer.
Thanks for calling Nelnet. This is Victoria speaking. How can I help you today?
Yep, I actually just want to pay off all of the accrued interest that is on the account currently.
So that $121.35.
Yep,
And did you want to do that with a checking account or a debit card?
a checking account.
And is it that checking account that's on file?
Yep.
Okay, so then just to confirm today, December 30th, you are authorizing a one-time payment in the amount of $121.35. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And then that confirmation number did get sent to your email. Did you want that over the phone as well?
Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You have a great night.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss when we post new content. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.